Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be showing you another Kate Spade bag. This time is Staci Satchel. If you are a fan of Kate Spade, then this video is for you. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. This is Kate Spade Staci Multicolor Medium Satchel worth $379.99. But for sure, 70% off sa outlet in the US. So, the material is saffiano leather, smooth saffiano. And then colors are beige, fuchsia pink, and maroon. Here's the logo in front. And may front pocket. Inside. Ayan, ang bottom, meron siyang gold hardware. Medyo heavy yung bag. Maganda to pang office or pang OOTD. Pero hindi ko siya gagamitin pagka traveling kasi parang medyo mabigat. Ayan, may top zip na gold hardware. Yung puller niya, merong Kate Spade na parang embossed. Parang gano'n. Ayan, tingnan natin loob. Meron side pocket na may zipper. Care card, and then puller na leather, and then logo na with leather. Ayan, meron siyang adjustable strap inside. So, magiging ano siya. Yung front niya may ganyang pocket. Sa likod din pala meron. Kaya lang super liit. Ayan, siguro papel lang malalagay dyan. As well, merong ganon logo. Tingnan natin kung saan made. Made in Vietnam uli. Tapos may parang code. Parang may number dyan. Ang length ay 8.5 inches. Ang width ay 10.5. Ang bottom ay mga 4.5. Ang wallet, cellphone, sunglass, makeup kit, tissue, alcohol, power bank, maluwag pa. Bigat na siya pagka may laman. Hindi siya pang travel bag. Pang office bag. Pang forma. Ganun. Kasi bigat. Pero ayan. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.